So to get started, we're gonna make the sangria because it has to sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours. So here I have an orange and a lemon. The first thing I'm gonna do is slice off the ends. Just gonna slice them thin, and they're gonna go right into the carafe and sit with that wine, and that's gonna give it that iconic sangria flavor. Right into the carafe. This is my sangria carafe. It gets really full, but it is the perfect shape for holding all that fruit back when you pour out the sangria. So there's the orange, here's the lemon. I love seeing all that juice come out of the fruit. Now to this, we're just gonna add a little bit of sugar, just a 1/4 cup, right into the carafe. Now using the handle of a long spoon, I'm gonna go in there. I don't wanna beat this fruit up too much. I just wanna release some of the juices. You can see the juices starting to fill in the bottom of the carafe. That is perfect. That's what you're looking for. All right, that's good enough. Now, little bit of triple sec in this house. We use Grand Marnier. You just want an orange flavored liqueur. Just 2 tablespoons right into the pitcher. Next up, some fresh orange juice. Juice it right into the carafe. Oh yeah. Perfect. Last but not least, the wine. When choosing a white wine for white sangria, you want to choose something with some body, but you don't want it too oaky, because that oak flavor will take over. It won't let the fruit shine through, which is the point of a good sangria. So I like using an unoaked Chardonnay. You don't want to use one that's too expensive, because you're mixing in all this fruit and sugar and Grand Marnier. So choose one in the $10 range. I told you, this is my favorite carafe for sangria. It goes right to the top. All right. Using the handle of the spoon, just gonna give it a quick stir. All right, into the fridge this goes. Again, at least 2 hours, but up to 8 hours. Let's taste that sangria that's been sitting in the fridge for a couple hours. Just gonna give it a good stir. Oh, make sure all those flavors are nicely incorporated before I pour a glass. It's so pretty, isn't it? All right. Oh yeah. And you can garnish the glass with any sort of fruit you like. I like to use an orange because you get to eat it afterwards. Cheers. Oh, it is so refreshing. You taste the wine, and then you taste the orange, a little bit of lemon. Really brings good life to a cheap bottle of wine. Thanks for watching. What'd you think? Leave a comment below and let me know what you're excited to cook this week. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. You can get today's recipes and more for free at our website, americastestkitchen.com/JuliaAtHome.